In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a purchase order in Xero. Now, if you're new to Xero or just looking to brush up on some skills, you're in the right place. We'll take it step by step so you can follow along comfortably. First, we begin by navigating to the Xero website. You can do this by heading to your favorite search engine and typing in Xero. Once you arrive at the search results, look for the link titled Xero Accounting Software for Small Businesses and give it a click. This will take you to Xero's homepage. Now, once you're here, locate the Login button on the top right corner of the page and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the plus icon on your dashboard. This icon serves as your gateway to create new items within Xero. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select Create New Purchase Order from the list. This will bring you to a blank purchase order form ready for you to fill out. Now, let's get into the details of completing your purchase order. Start by typing in all necessary details for the order. Make sure the supplier's information is accurate, as this will be important for processing. It's crucial at this portion to double-check and ensure all data entered is correct, especially the supplier details and delivery instructions, to avoid any future complications. Next, you'll want to add the date. This is the date on which the purchase order is being created, and it's generally pre-filled with today's date. You can adjust it if needed, but it's typically best to keep it as is unless you have specific instructions otherwise. Moving on, you'll add the specific items that you plan to purchase. This section requires you to input what products or services are being ordered, including the quantity and price. Pay close attention to these numbers as they directly impact your financial records. Another essential element of the purchase order is the descriptions for the items. This isn't just for clarity, but also for future auditing processes. Having a detailed description can save you time and confusion later on. If there are any discounts available, this is the time to include them. You simply apply the discount rate directly within the purchase order form. Luckily, Xero helps you here by automatically calculating the adjusted total for you, lessening the likelihood of errors. And just like that, you've created a purchase order. Xero's intuitive interface ensures that calculations and other intricate details are handled efficiently, providing you more time to focus on what matters most: running your business smoothly. For any queries or if something seems unclear, feel free to revisit this guide or explore Xero's support resources. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.